Siyabonga kakhulu sibonga ukuthi singifuthise uma ngobonga belivela kithi ukuthi sibe ngulaba chaza lemidlalo imidlalo yasengaba ke seyina 20 weminyaka sicalile kuyisponsorisha umuntu angasho ukuthi sponsoring these games the company started when it was very small ngalezo sikhathi leso bekusasena futhi sisiteke kuphela kepha ke ayizange ikhanze ngathi aseyiyekele nje ibukelele kusho ukuthini kusho ukuthi the directors alenkampani beka nawo umthwalo to see young people ba engage kuma sports for ema benefits lamanenge and langa benefita nemango kungaqini only kulabantwana kwendlule benefit nemango benefit ne business community at large because njengoba sathi ema sports they keep the young people busy, they are a talent. The young people can get jobs through sports and they can go far in life through sports. So umuntu akasho ukuthi there is where lo mshado wethu is coming from size sibe la sikhona khona le namuhla nasikhuluma ukuthi sila kuma finals ngumnyaka wes20 sisponsorisha ke le league yasengaba sisho ukuthi kwaleno mesimo sesimadima ngicabanga sikulamalanga nje niyabona sikwendekani kubi kakhulu I competition iyanza kuma eatery businesses noma ngeke ngibale ukuthi senginabo bani emarket kepha niyathi ke ukuthi kulamalanga nje kunalamanye ama eatery businesses latheliwe laseqatha saka and afike avula eqeleni kwethu lamanye lebekakhona futhi aphinze futhi akhula lokho kwena ukuthi kube likhuni njengoba nathi ukuthi we are a local franchise lamanye ema franchise aqhamuka ama franchise lese avele atiwa aqhamuka emaveni lathide kepha ke singemaswati kuyinkampani yemaswati le onwa ngemaswati sikhonile ukuthi siqhubeke kube ngumthwalo wenkampani ukuthi sibambisane nenkaba zonal league kuze kube nginamuhla sangaye nangesimo usinesimo sike santengantenga endleleni saqhamuka kubo covid nyalo se we are facing a tough competition so sije asibonge siyajabula ukuthi kube sibe la namhla elangene lehlele njengaleli asikuthathi kancane lokho siyajabula kubona lokwendekako sibone insha yethu ijabulile ngalendlela lejabule ngayo siyabonga.